Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be creating a beautiful floral illustration using my simple step-by-step drawing process in Procreate. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses brushes from my birth month flower brush set. Whether you're completely new to digital art or just want an easy and fun way to create stunning florals, this illustration is for you. You'll find a link to the brushes I'm using in the description below, along with a free gift, a set of 30 Procreate brushes and colour palettes to help you get started. Now let's get drawing. So let's create a new layer and then go into the birth month flower brush set and select February Iris. We're going to select a dark green and stamp that on the screen, and you can adjust the location of the stamp on your canvas. Then duplicate the layer, select the bottom layer and drop white into that shape. And then adding a new layer above, we're going to select clipping mask. And then going into the basic brush set and selecting the watercolour brush, we're going to select the same dark green colour and start adding this dark green to the stem and the leaves of this flower. And then selecting a lighter shade of that colour, start adding some details along the stem and the leaves. And you can do this one more time with an even lighter shade of green. And now, selecting the wet smudge brush from the basic brush set, you're simply just going to go and blend all those colours in together whilst following the shape of the outline. And then moving on to the petals, we're going to select a vivid bluey purple colour and add this to the outer areas of each petal. And then selecting an orange, add this colour into the kind of very central area of the petal. And then we're going to select a bold yellow colour and add this colour in between the blue and the orange. And then we're going to pick a lighter shade of that original bluey purple and just add this to the tips of the petals. And then again, using our wet smudge brush, just blend these colours in whilst following the details that are outlined within the stamp shape. And then we're going to change the colour of the outline layer. So select that top layer, hold 2 fingers on that layer to select it. And then we're going to pick a lighter version of each of the colours and just using the watercolour brush, just add this colour to the edges. And then for the leaves, we're just going to select a light green and again just go over the edges of the stamp outline. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed creating this watercolour style floral illustration with me. If you'd like to use the same brushes featured in this tutorial, you'll find the links in the description below. Don't forget you can also add 30 free Procreate brushes and colour palettes to your collection via the link that's down below as well. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.